Hi, this is Amna Sharif, and you're watching me on BollywoodHangama.com. I'm very much a chart person. Don't have so much of chart. This will happen, that will happen. Typical Bombay girl. I love aloo chaat. Pani puri, sev puri, and aloo chaat. I think it's a combination of everything. The title goes perfect with the film. You will find a lot of sweetness in the film because every character is so sweet. There are some characters which are very chatpata. I would say it's a very sweet, light-hearted, romantic comedy. My character, I'm playing a Muslim girl. She's been born and raised in US. The beauty of the character is that in spite of being in US for so long, Aftab and Amna's character, my character's name is Amna in the film. So Aftab, his character's name is Nikhil. I mean, though they've been studying in US, they've been working in US. For the first time, she ever comes to India, to Delhi. So, and she's a very sweet, very fun-loving and very family-oriented kind of a girl. Before I started off with television, I was doing modeling for like a year and a half. I did a couple of videos, I did a couple of ads, and I always wanted to start off with a film. But one fine day, I got to know, okay, fine, I was being offered a television show. Probably I wouldn't have started off with the show if it wouldn't have been Kahi To Hoga, because when I heard the script, I just couldn't refuse this character. It was so good. And today, I am so proud that I started off with television. And finally, here I am doing something which I always wanted to do. So it's like a dream come true.
मैं अमेरिका में किसी लड़की से प्यार करता हूँ।
मेरी लाश के ऊपर से आएगी इस घर में विदेशी बहू। Hi Dad.
When I heard the script of Aloo Chaat, it was such a wonderful script, too much of humor in it, but at the same time clean humor, and it was a totally character-driven film. And this was a script which I don't think I could have ever refused, and I'm glad that I took this up as my first film.
शादी करूँगा तो उसी लड़की से।
तो मैं तुझे अपनी जायदाद से बेदखल कर दूंगा।
जिया जी, दुकान लीज पे है और घर दीदी के नाम।
ओ चुप है।
मेरी लाश के ऊपर से आएगी इस घर में विदेशी बहू।
With the director, it was great. He's new age, he's young, and he's so clear what he wants from any character, be it from a small to me or to Aftab. And it has been a wonderful experience. He's a kind of a director who would give you all the freedom as an actor. He's not the kind who would say, okay, fine, draw a line here. He would just give you all the freedom, and it has been a fantastic experience working with Robbie.
1, 2, 3, come on!
It has been a great experience. I mean, I would say that he's not only a very good actor or a wonderful actor, but also a very good human being. So I think that I really got comfortable with him. I mean, we really became friendly because he is such a nice human being. I mean, not even once did he make me feel that I was very nervous on the first day of the set. I was like, okay, fine. I mean, this guy, he's already done so many films and he's so good. Everyone knows his comic timing. And for the first time, I was trying something different. I was doing a comedy film. But he really made me feel comfortable.
अब आज गए हो तो ना फिर जाना।
I would like to work with all the best actors and directors. I mean, I don't want to start a list because it would not end, but I hope that I get to work with all the great directors and actors too. But I've always admired the way Aamir Khan has worked. So definitely I would love to work with him.
सू है कि नाम है यार, इन्नी गुलाबी इसका नाम तो गुलाबो होना चाहिए।
जीजे।
अरे बड़ी सुनी है यार। I mean, it's very cold यार।
I would not say anything. I would just say it's a romantic comedy. So go and watch it. And wherein you just took Linda's name, I would just like to say that it has been a wonderful experience working with her, and she's wonderful.